Today in this video, I'll explain JB Hi-Fi's return policy. We'll cover everything you need to know. Returning items with or without a receipt, returning items without tags, and whether returns are possible after 30 days. Let's get started. Faulty products. If your product is faulty, here's what JB Hi-Fi offers. With or without packaging, you're covered under JB Hi-Fi's minimum voluntary warranty policy and the consumer guarantees. Faulty items can be returned regardless of packaging condition or even if the packaging is discarded. Change of mind returns. For items you've purchased but changed your mind about, the product must be unused and unopened with the packaging in good condition. You'll get a 100% refund if you return it within 30 days of purchase. Commercial sales are excluded from this policy. If it's been more than 30 days, a refund may still be possible if there's a breach of consumer guarantees. CDs, DVDs, games, and software. The return policy for these items is slightly different. Faulty items. You're eligible for a 100% refund within 90 days of purchase. Any included digital redemption codes must also be returned. Change of mind returns. Unused and unopened items with good packaging can be returned within 30 days for a full refund. PC games and software are not eligible for change of mind refunds. Refunds beyond the 90-day period may still be available if consumer guarantees have been breached. Returns without a receipt. If you don't have a receipt, JB Hi-Fi may still process your return if you can provide another form of proof of purchase, such as an online order confirmation or bank statement. Returns after 30 days. Returns after 30 days are possible in certain situations. For faulty products, JB Hi-Fi will assess the issue under consumer guarantees. For change of mind returns, a refund may only be available if the product meets specific criteria, such as being unused and unopened. For more details or specific exclusions, visit JB Hi-Fi's official website or speak to a store representative. That's JB Hi-Fi's return policy explained. Whether you're returning with or without a receipt, or after 30 days, they've got clear guidelines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.